My child, I hear your prayers. I hear every whisper in the dark of night, every cry spoken through tears when you have no words left. Not a single sigh or supplication escapes my notice. Even when you can't find the strength to speak, your heart's ache reaches mine. I want you to know that I am listening always, without fail, with a love that never grows tired. I have been by your side through every long night and every painful day. Waiting can feel like wandering through a dry, empty desert with no end in sight. But faith is the assurance of things hoped for, the conviction of realities you haven't seen yet. Hope is the anchor of your soul, keeping you steady when waves crash and winds howl around you. When your body is hurting, when your mind is anxious, some days you feel completely spent, as if you have nothing left to give, nothing left to even feel. Feel the quiet stir in your heart. That is my presence. I'm closer to you than your own breath. I have sent my spirit to live in you, to be your constant companion. My love for you is not fragile or fickle. It is steadfast and everlasting. I loved you before you knew me. I knit you together with purpose and care, and I have watched over every step of your life. When you wake in the morning, I am there. When you lay down at night, I am there. When the future looks uncertain, I am already there, preparing the way for you. Take heart, you are held safe in my hands, and I will never let you go. So breathe, beloved. Breathe in my peace. Exhale the worry and fear. I've got you. I am here. I hear your prayers, and I am answering in love, in perfect faithfulness, in the way that is best. Trust in me, rest in me. When I walked the earth, I thought of you as I endured the cross, and I will always be your faithful Savior, now and forever. I willingly bore that suffering out of love for you, to give you a hope and a future. That is how precious you are to me. If I would give my very life to save you, do you think there is anything I would withhold that is truly good for you? Never. You are mine, my treasured one. Nothing you have done or could ever do will make me stop loving you. Nothing at all can separate you from my love. Not your mistakes or failures, not your fears or doubts, not the darkest valley or the deepest pit. My love reaches you there. I love you on your best days and on your worst days with a love that never changes. Rest in that, my child. When you feel unworthy or ashamed, remember that I chose you, knowing everything about you, and I called you beloved. When you feel alone and uncared for, remember that I delight in you. Just as a bridegroom rejoices over his bride, and a parent delights in their dear child, let my perfect love cast out all your fear. You are so deeply loved, exactly as you are. And comforter, so you are never truly alone anywhere you go. You have never been unseen or unheard. Heaven has been listening and moving on your behalf from the very first tear you cried. Even now, all of heaven's attention is on you as I work to unfold answers to your prayers. It's okay if you can't perceive it yet. Like the sun slowly coloring the sky before the dawn, the work I'm doing often begins unseen, but it will shine forth in time. There is so much more ahead for you, more than you can even imagine. So do not let despair steal your expectation of the good I am preparing. Continue to walk with me, one step at a time, one day at a time. Keep your eyes on me, not on the waves of the storm. Remember how Peter walked on water when he kept his eyes on me, but the moment he looked at the wind and waves, he began to sink. I know the storm around you is real and fierce, but fix your gaze on me. I am your solid rock. I am the calm in the center of the storm. The waves may be high, but I am higher still. The winds may be strong, but I am your shelter. And when you feel like you're sinking in fear or sorrow, reach out your hand. I am already reaching back. Just as I grabbed Peter's hand, I will catch you the instant you call out to me. I will not let you drown. I will lift you up, set your feet on solid ground, and help you take the next step. Together, we will walk on water through this storm. together we will overcome, because I have overcome the world. When you sit in the stillness, it is my voice you hear whispering hope to your soul. When you manage a small smile or find a ray of peace amid the chaos, that is my doing my gift to you. I stand guard over you as you sleep, watching over you with love. I walk beside you in the daylight, rejoicing in your joys and holding you in your sorrows. You might not see me with your eyes, but I am here, intimately present in all your moments. I promised I would never leave you or forsake you, and I mean what I say. Not for a second have I turned my face from you. Even when you cannot feel anything, trust that I am by your side, working on your behalf. I often speak in a still, small voice, gentle nudges, quiet reassurances in your spirit, so don't discount those subtle signs of my presence. I am always communicating my love to you in tender ways. Open your heart, and you will find that I am right here, holding you close, wiping your tears, and whispering, I'm with you, I've got you. But here is a truth you must cling to. I will strengthen you. The prayers you voice and the prayers you can't even articulate, I hear them all. Each time you reach out to me, even if all you can do is simply cry or say my name, it delights my heart. Your prayers rise before me like sweet incense, and I treasure each one because I treasure you. You often wonder what I do with your prayers. Beloved, I answer every single one, though not always in the way or timing you expect. Sometimes I say, yes, my child, and the answer comes swiftly, bringing you the relief and joy you longed for. Other times I lovingly say, wait, because I am arranging something better for you than what you envisioned. And yes, there are moments I must say no to the specific thing you ask, but even then, my no is given with the tender understanding of what you cannot yet see. When I close one door, I am already opening another. When I withhold one thing, it is only because I have a greater blessing in store at the right time. Trust my answers, even when you don't understand them. I know this isn't easy, but remember that I can see the end of your story from the beginning. I know which paths lead to life and which would harm you. I only give my beloved children the very best. So keep pouring out your heart to me. I am not impatient or annoyed by your repeated prayers. I welcome them. I love to hear your voice and the honesty of your heart. Come to me freely with everything, your anger, your tears, your hopes, your questions. I can handle it all. I want to lift the weight from your shoulders. Remember, I once invited all who are weary and burdened to come to me for rest, and that invitation still stands. Bring me your burdens, and I will give you rest. In my presence, you will find rest for your weary soul and peace for your troubled mind. When you are weak, my strength rises up in you. When you have no endurance left, lean on me, and I will carry you. Remember, I walked the road to Calvary, enduring the weight of the cross and the nails, because I could see the joy and victory that lay ahead. I endured the ultimate suffering out of love for you. In your own trial, I am pouring my endurance into you. You are never carrying this burden alone. I shoulder it with you, and often I'm carrying it for you, even when you think it is all on you. What you see as your breaking point, I see as a point of breakthrough. My grace is sufficient for you, and my power is made perfect in your weakness. Each day you choose to get up and face the day, even if your hands tremble and your heart is heavy, is a triumph of courage, and I am so proud of you for persisting. Yes, I am proud of you, my beloved. I see how you keep choosing me, keep choosing to believe, even with a bruised and frail faith. That faith, as tested as it is coming forth like pure gold, refined and precious. Do not give up. Keep running the race set before you. I am running beside you. When you stumble, I'm right here to catch you. When you are too weary to run, walk with me. When you can't walk, let me carry you. We will finish this journey together, you and I, step by step, day by day. And troubled, when your heart is broken into pieces, I hear your cry. Lord, please help me. Please heal me. I am the Lord your healer, and I am already at work in you. Sometimes I heal in sudden miracles that take your breath away, and sometimes I heal step by step, day by day, like the slow closing of a wound. Often I mend your heart in ways you haven't even recognized as healing, bringing new relationships, new purpose, or a peace that passes all understanding. No hurt is beyond my reach. I need you to know this deep in your spirit. I am tending to your wounds even now. In those moments when the pain feels unbearable, picture my nail-scarred hand resting tenderly over your hurt, pouring my comfort into you. Like cool water on a parched land, I send the refreshing presence of my spirit to soothe your soul. When you feel despair creeping in, lean into me. Let my presence be a balm for your troubled mind. I am binding up the brokenhearted and healing the broken places within you. Your scars will not be wasted. Every scar will tell a story of grace, how I carried you through the fire and brought you out refined. The very places that ache right now will one day shine with testimony of my faithfulness and healing power. So, do not fear the wound or the scar. In my hands, even scars turn into beauty. I know some days you wake up and feel the weight of discouragement pressing on your chest, and hope seems like a fragile flicker. But even a flicker of hope in me is enough to dispel great darkness. Hope in me will never put you to shame. It may seem long in coming, but it will not disappoint you. Just as surely as dawn breaks after the longest night, my help will burst through at exactly the right time. Morning is coming for your heart. Wait for it. Watch for it. Your weeping may endure for a night, but joy is coming with the morning. I have promised you a future and a hope, and I do not break my promises. Even now, I am working all things together for good in your life. Yes, even this situation that seems so impossible to you, I am working in it, bringing good out of what was meant for harm. You are precious to me, and I have called you by name. You will see my goodness. You will taste the fruit of these tears in time. So take heart and hope, my beloved. I'm asking you to walk by faith and not by sight for a little while. I can see the entire picture, the tapestry of your life in all its colors. You, my child, can only see a single thread at a time, a single moment in a much larger story. But I am the master weaver, and I promise you that all these threads, even the dark and tangled ones, are being woven into a magnificent design that will bring good to your life and glory to my name. One day you will marvel at the handiwork I was crafting in this very season. For now, trust that I am weaving something beautiful from all that looks knotted and frayed. Trust that I know what I am doing, because I do. You're looking for even the smallest sign of hope, a hint that your breakthrough is coming. Oh, how I know the ache of a waiting heart. But remember, beloved, no season of waiting is ever wasted. Every moment has purpose. Just as a farmer plants seeds and must wait patiently for them to sprout at the proper time, the seeds of your prayers are quietly growing beneath the soil of my perfect timing. Not one of those seeds is buried in vain in the right season. They will push through the earth and bloom into something beautiful. I ask you to trust that a harvest is being prepared for you, even though you cannot see it yet. Every wait has meaning. While you wait, I am at work, nurturing those seeds, preparing good things for you. When you weep, I am there, gently catching each tear. When you feel too weak to take another step, I am there, quietly supporting you. In the moments when you cannot carry on, I carry you. Just as a loving shepherd lifts a wounded lamb and holds it close, I cradle you in your weakness. Can you sense it? Even now, my arms are around you, holding you up when you feel you might fall. I walk with you through the valley, step by step, and I will never abandon you in your time of need. I know how weary you are. I see the heaviness in your eyes and the questions in your heart. You wonder if things will ever change, if the waiting will last forever. Sometimes you whisper through broken sobs, "Lord, Do you hear me? How long must I wait? You may even feel your faith is too small, or fear that I've forgotten you in this silence. Listen closely. I have never lost sight of you, not for a moment. I hear every prayer and every question, and I understand the pain and doubt behind them. My precious child, I am not upset with you for questioning. I hold you even closer when you're wrestling with these fears. You are not alone in this. Not for one moment have you ever been alone. I know that waiting is hard, so very hard. You have prayed and pleaded for answers, and yet the answers seem delayed. Trust me, even now. I know it isn't too easy to trust when the night feels endless and you can see what I'm doing. Hold on to hope. Do not let go of hope, no matter how quiet and small it seems. I also hear you when you pray for healing. I know every pain and ailment you carry. The road you're on is not easy. I see that. You're tired. You're pressed on every side by troubles. Take comfort. I am here with you now. Right now, as you absorb these words, I am with you. Never forget that I hear every prayer you pray. Above all, know this unshakable truth. I love you. I have always loved you, and I always will. Lift up your head, beloved one. You are not forgotten. My dear child, I hear you. I have heard you from the beginning, and I will never stop listening to your heart. I am with you now and forever. I am with you always, and I love you with an everlasting love. Never forget that. I hear you. I am here with you.